Yo guys, so I'll be listening to the new single that was released by Eunice. Kaya pakinggan natin, kaka-release lang. It's currently 5:38 PM Manila time. So pakinggan natin. So yeah. So yung title is See You in My Dreams. No?
Guys, naiiyak ako kasi hindi ko maintindihan yung lyrics. Pero parang feeling ko parang kino-comfort yung Ever Up. Parang napaka-comforting ng melody. So yeah. Yun lang. Upload ko na lang to ng one take, no? 90 minutes. Upload ko to ng one take sa YouTube. And maybe mga cuts sa TikTok. Yan guys. Bye.